Hi guys, in today's video, it's googlyeyeseli here, and don't forget to get my merch. In today's video, I'm doing a insane video. This video is in 59 minutes because it's gonna be 200 connectics. I'm gonna decorate my fridge. So you should just like wait. Here are the connectics, guys. Now we're gonna bring it to the kitchen. The car can't really turn, but it's okay. Watch out. Alright, there we got this. But we have to move this out because this is... Oh, sorry. Alright, here it is. Here it is. We're gonna put it on the mat so it can stand up and reach. So, alright guys, I have the connectics now. Now let's decorate my fridge. Alright guys, it's done. Look at it. So quick. Alright guys, the thing is done. Look at this baby. So here is the 10th floor. This is the 11th floor. The 11th floor has like doesn't have this one is a monorail services, and the 10th floor are the I think the metro, and this right here, this one is the restaurants, and over here we have like the I don't know what it's called, but yeah, these are like the this is the I think high-speed trains, and this level right here are like I think level platform 99, yeah. And here are like the looks like the suburbans, and here are the intercities, and all the way down right here, it's all restaurants, and the lobby right here takes you down to the underground metro. So these you can actually open them at the doors. Yeah, but it's actually empty. But yeah, it's cool. But when you open the fridge, oh shoot, it completely is when you open the fridge, then when you close it back, it looks beautiful. Yeah, because it's colorful and it's rainbowy. Yeah, and the underground is building today. And we don't have to sign this up because it was a little bit. We didn't have a lot of blocks. So when I to buy some more, I can just put it right here, then connect it to Then I'm gonna follow for the series on part 2 to get the other side of the station. But it's a mystery, okay? But I'm gonna tell you what is the name of the station. Here is Central, yeah. But this is not the original Central in Sydney. They're hiring to build more platforms. And here it is. And also, my house broke down by connectics one, so. These are the blocks I used from the collapsed connectics house. Then even though there's security cams all everywhere, these are closed. These are security cams. Even though I put my blocks up here, so when what is this for? I didn't even notice that, And the monorail services are like. Oh, I mean the monorail services are right here, not up there. But security rooms are up like. But I'm gonna add some more blocks, and so I still have like fences. I think this is the rooftop. I'm sure. So it's gonna be like 4 blocks still. So the rooftop height, because like I don't have any blocks like this. What's that called? Oh, yeah, it does. It is. It's only 4 blocks height because this this like this. So I'm gonna add some little triangles up there. But let me see if I can reach it. Oh yeah, I can. Oh, looks like I got that. Got this. I got this. See that? So it looks like this. Looks like anything. But the other part of the station, I'm just going to tell you one thing about it. This one is going to be a town hall station, but I still have to buy more blocks, 2 plus more, and so I can make the other side of the station. So this one is called town hall, but it only has 6 levels, but there's mysteries. So one of the mysteries are like down here, yeah. So one of those platforms are under the underground, like 25 and 26. I mean 25 and 24, yeah. You put like this. Yeah, it doesn't fit. So let's put it right this little fella. So when you want to open the door, you can just like use this thing. So you can like do this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Smash that button and subscribe, and don't forget we have the last piece of it. This arrow points into the undergrounds, like the abandoned ones. So I hope you enjoy. Smash that button and subscribe. See you next time, and like for part 2. And bye guys.